As lumber barons began to ravage the early pine forests of Ontario, they encountered a problem with moving the logs from dense forests to the mills. Ontario's Canadian Shield, a territory of rugged hills, small lakes, and churning rivers, made such an operation a major challenge. While logs could be boomed across the larger lakes or hauled by alligator boat between them, the small rivers required something more. Canada's first chute was created in 1829 to guide the logs around the Clodier Falls on the Ottawa River. From those earliest times, chutes made from timber ran alongside the waterfalls and rapids, and provided passage for the logs to slip along quickly, much as slides in children's water parks today. However, erosion and riverbank stabilization have removed nearly all evidence of this era. For the most part, only replicas remain. Algonquin Park's logging museum contains one such example, as does the High Falls in Pigeon River Provincial Park near Thunder Bay.